Hello, okay, saya kita akan preferensi Krishna number 1322 F1022 and my group mates Nurul Atili binti Edi Putra and also Nur Shazvani binti Amara C. So today I'm going to explain our lab task 1. So first of all we need to create one new project. So go to file, new project, and we choose empty activity and you can name it as you want. Then click it finish. So once I do it, okay, so this is our lab task 1. So first of all, so after this just go to palette and you can go to the widgets and you can see over here got image view. So just drag it so you can see the drawable folder. So these pictures I already insert in drawable folder. So let's say if I want Twitter, so just click Twitter and click OK. So this is the image view. So the coding of image view is this. So I didn't change the ID. So if you guys want to change, just go for it. And I just change the width and height just to keep simple and nice. Then I just go to the text and I just drag the plain text here. So so this is the coding for edit text. So you can see over here there will be ID, which is website edit text, and also layer width match parent, layer height is wrap content, and also the enter text is string edit text underscore URI. Okay, so what is this Android text string? Okay, let's see. So we need to go to the string XML. So this is the string XML. So I already added it. So this is we declare the string name and also the text which should be in the plain text, the edit text. So this is the app name. We declare app name, which is intent string, and also the edit text URI, button URI, edit text, and so on. So this is the string XML. So we will use this string XML in activity main XML and also Java main activity. So you can see, so then this is the button. So just go to the button section and just drag the button over here. So you can see this is the coding for button. So for this I just idea with open website button. So so this ID it is easy for us to find out later. So width and height is wrap content, and also the margin bottom is 24 dp. Then I declare black color. So I think for this website the black color button is much more nice and glamour. So I just declare the black theme is black color. So which is I love it. So this one you just can put color or black, or otherwise you can put this code as well, hashtag 0000060 will be there. Then we just repeated the same step, which is just drag the plain text button over here, plain text button over here. So this interface is done. So let's go to, so the XML is really very easy because the coding all is provided automatically. So we just need to add such as like the black color or other wrap content or margin bottom. So just add up like that. So after that, the main activity Java. So this is the important part we should do. Okay, first of all, this all automatic, the package will be given, and the import is automatically will import. So whatever we will put over here, so it will import automatically. So this we declare over here. So after that it's override, and also that got which is find view by ID. So we already declare some such as website edit text and location edit text, share text, like that. So we need to declare by find view by ID, so it is easy to find out by ID. So this website edit text is the ID of the so website edit text. So you can see this is the website edit text ID of the plain text. So this plain text. So we just declare over here. So this is the coding for the second interface. So first of all, we declare the button over here. So private button share text. So once it's done, I just put share text equal to find view by ID share text button. So this share text button is actually this share this text button ID. You can see over here share text button. So this is the share this text button coding. So once we click this button, it will straightly go to the second interface. So this is the coding for to go the second interface. So this is the public void for open website. So yeah, this is me for once we click it, the open website button over here, so it will straightly go to the website, then which is the link is over here. So the coding will be, so the URI web page. So we need to declare first the URI web page, URI parse. So this website edit text dot get text dot to string it means. So we just took the link from the string XML. So this is, so you can see over here. So here we got the link for the website. So it will took over here. So okay, so once done, so it's time for intern. So intern equal to new intern. So you can see over here intern action view, so comma web page. So this web page, which means we mean this web page. So this web page is we pass our link over here. So next, this is the find an activity to end the intern and start the activity. So if the intern result activity is null, so which means it will start activity. It will start the open the website. If not, it will show up a message which is can't handle this intern. So this is the public wide for open location. So here we got one button for the open locations for this Sendirian Berhad. Okay, let's see. So the coding is same as before this. So the URI location is so before this we already input this website in string XML. So for this website we didn't input for this we didn't input in string XML. So if we just go put in Java class, so this is pass the website and also intern some equal to location. So which is this intern coding will start the activity for this link. So save as this, find an activity to end the intern and start the activity. So if the intern is null, which means it is true, it will start the activity. If it is not true, if it is false, means it will show a message which is can't handle this intern. So lastly, this is the public wide open activity. So we already declared the button to go to second interface. So this is the balance public coding, which is public wide open activity. So this also intern. So once we click the button, so it will go to the second interface. So let's see how it's work. Okay, so this is our application. So we add put the image over here, edit text, website. Okay, you can see once I click the open website, it will straightly go to the web page. Okay, you can see over here it will straightly go to the link we are just inputting string XML. So this is the link for it. So secondly, for the open location, so you can see over here open location. So once I click it open location, it's straightly open the Google Maps. Okay, so this is the location for the mechanized LCC, the ground floor. So you can see over here the direction, and you can also share save as well. So this is the location for the mechanized Hut. And lastly, they got a button which is share this. Okay, share this text. So once I click it, it will go to the second interface. So this is the second interface of this application. So once I click it, share this text, it will go to the second interface. Okay, so the second interface my roommate will explain, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. I am Nurulati binti Putra with number matrix 13DDT 19F1071, and now I will explain the activity 2.xml. Okay, we start from here. So we use a linear layout, the vertical orientation, because it suits the system well. And we also decide to change the background color and using gradient background with a pink color. And the pink is with a shade of light pink at the top and a bit darker at the bottom. So this is the coding for the background color. So we start with we put the gradient coding over here because we use gradient, and we have to put the code color at the start color over here at F9A9E, and put the end color for the bottom because it's a bit darker with the code FAD064. So this is the code for the background color. And then next, this image view, edit text and button is the coding for the button tree, which is the share text. Okay, so we start with the image view. As you can see, this is a Twitter. So we put a logo Twitter at the top, and then with the text of Twitter, and under the Twitter text, we put the option a button for share text to Twitter. So we decide to use Twitter because there's a lot of users now that are using a Twitter. So we think that is the best option to use. And the next one is the coding for the button to share text to the Facebook. So we use the same method as the Twitter. We put the logo Facebook at the top, and then the text Facebook and the button to share the text to the Facebook. So it will look like this, with the logo Twitter and the text Twitter and the button to share it to Twitter. Logo Facebook, the Facebook text and button to share it to the Facebook. Okay, and after this I will show you the video how the button tree works. Thank you.
Okay, hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Shazali Minta Marazi, matric number F1064. Now I'm going to explain activity 2.java. Okay, this is the coding for share this text button. Okay, as you can see here, there are two declarations, which is mshare text and mshare text 1. This is for the Twitter and Facebook. The first one is Twitter, and the second one is Facebook. Okay, at first you have to declare the variable, and then this is you have to declare ID, find view by ID, so that it's easier to know. Okay, next support action bar. Action bar title, social media. Action bar is at the top of the app, so the action bar will be named as social media. Okay, next public void share text. This is the coding for Twitter. Okay, this coding will show you how the output will be shown. Okay, set action, action send, which means user can share the text by clicking send. Okay, next this is the link for the Twitter. And start activity, select an app, which means user have to choose whatever app they want to share the link. Okay, next public void share text 1. This is the coding for Facebook. Okay, the coding is the same as Twitter. Action send. Okay, this is the link for Facebook. And select an app. Okay, next back button. This is the coding for back button, which it will be placed at this interface, at share this tab interface. Okay, I will just explain a few. Okay, Android icon. This is the icon for the back button, which is the arrow shown to the left. Okay, next, this is the app, the final output for our app. Okay, when you first click on our app, it will show like this. Okay, this is the action bar title, machines, and this is our company names, and this is our what we are selling. This is the link for our website, and this is the button to open the website. This is the name for our location, and this is the button for the location to open the location. And this is the interface to share the link, the social media list, and this is the button to choose whether Twitter or Facebook, like I explained this now. Okay, next. Okay, now I'm going to show you how the output will look like. Okay, first open website. If you click on open website button, then it will proceed to the net interface, which is our website. Yes, and you can see the website. As you can see here, we sell iPhone. Yes, Apple products. Okay, next, if you want to back, just click on this button, and it will proceed to the first interface, which is here. Okay, next, if you want to know the location of our place, of our shop, okay, just click on this open location button, and we will proceed the next interface, which is this. Will open you the maps for the location of our shop. Okay, just click on directions, and if you want to go to the shop and follow the directions. Okay, click back. Okay, next, this button to share our social media. Okay, click on share this text button, and it will proceed to the next interface, which is this. And there are two options, which is Twitter and Facebook, like I explained this now. Okay, at first I'm going to show you Twitter. Click on this, click here to share. Okay, when you click here, it will there will be a pop-up like this, and it will ask you to choose what apps you want to use. Okay, this is the interface, which is I explained for the coding. Select an app. Okay, this is the output this is the output. Okay, for example, I'm going to choose message. Okay, next, it will ask you to type a name or phone number or email, blah blah. And next, the link will be automatically pasted on the text message. You don't have to type anymore. So just click send, and it will be like this. This is the link that will be sent to the number that you choose, that you type. Okay, next, I'm going to show you for the Facebook. Okay, just as usual, just click on back button until here, and just click on back button, and then you proceed to this. Okay, click here to share, which is Facebook, and it will proceed to this. A pop-up will appear to ask you to choose the app, which is select an app coding I explained to you just now on Java. Okay, select message, and yeah, it is the same as Twitter. Put the number phone, email or name, and the link will be automatically placed on the text message, and just click next. Then click next. It will appear like this. As you can see here, this is the old Twitter link. Okay, next, when I send the Facebook link, and it will appear like this. Okay, so that's it from us. Kita anak perempuan Krishna Nori Atila binti Putra, and me, I am Amy Nur Syazmin binti Al-Aziz. Thank you.